ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ शांति शांति शांति। पीस पीस पीस। हरि ओम तत्सत। We are gathered here, my friends, to discuss and learn about Hindu Dharma, which was originally known as Sanatana Dharma, started in the land that we know as Bharat in those days and India today, which was started about 4500 years ago in that land of the Ganges and the Indus. We are going to talk about that, learn the truth, and we want to understand the fundamentals so that we are not misguided by the ignorance through which we lose out the joy of religion, joy of love, and joy of God that He intends us to enjoy in this creation or in this world. So let us begin fundamentally to understand right from the origin what the Hindu Dharma is all about, Sanatana Dharma is all about, and we will try to be as honest and straightforward and truthful according to historical facts, and we are not trying to lean towards any particular sampradaya or our favoritism or anything. We want to present the truth as is. So let's discuss and talk about it. Let me know your questions and we will proceed on that basis. So Arun bhai, do you have a question? I think you had a question. Let's talk about it.
Yes, Swamiji. Can you explain what is Hindu Dharma?
Arun bhai's question is, what is Hindu Dharma? This is really a fundamental question. We Hindus, not only in India but all over the world, need to know and understand who we are, what is our source, so that we can not only take pride but take advantage of what our ancestors has given us as truth, love and joy that they experienced when they were in direct contact with God in the ancient time of India. We have forgotten it, and we need to learn all over again the origin and the purpose and the joy that they had, which we are now in the modern world are missing out. So Hindu Dharma then is the Dharma that was propagated 4500 years ago in the land of Bharat, which is now known as India. It was started by the Aryans. At the moment, through history, we know that they migrated from Central Asia. At that time, an ancient civilization was also existing in India called Dravidian civilization. So when Aryans came, they started this new religion, which was called at that time Sanatana Dharma. Hindu name is not in our scriptures. Hindu word is not known in any of our scriptures. Hindu word was given to us who were living, the people who lived beyond the land of Indus. And the Western world did not know who these people were, even though they know the beauty and their achievements, and they were eager to know about them, but they did not know what to call them. So, since they did not know that we were Bhartis, they just gave us a name that those people who live beyond the river Indus. And then Indus became Indus in Persian language. Persia was the middleman, as if through which the Europeans learn about Hindus. So, by the way, Persians are also Aryans, and Europeans are also Aryans. So we have all got the origin as Aryans. So one branch went towards India and one branch went towards Europe. So these people who lived beyond the river Indus are then called by the West as Hindus or Hindus. But in our scripture we are known as Sanatani. Sanatan Dharma is what we had used, our ancestors has coined that word for our tradition.